Looks like another beautiful morning. Nice and sunny. Hopefully it won't get as hot as yesterday. What are we doing today? Oh, the little things I made yesterday come out really good. Nice and tasty. We fried them on this stand. Oh, we're gonna try and go do that visa again. Hopefully this time it works out. We got another person coming. That's our family and that lives right down here somewhere. One of those houses over there. And what else? That's it. I think that's all we'll do today.
Welcome to Rican Thai family with Nudge, TK and Nelson. Come join our lives while we travel and share with you on YouTube. So come along and have some fun with Rican Thai family.
Got a hit on the truck right here. That was yesterday, I think, no, the day before. And then we had a piece of metal stuck in here. I just changed it. That's old. Well, it looks like it's working. I don't see any air coming out. Yeah, my truck is getting a beating already. I put a lot of miles when we went down to over there. Where we went? Phuket, Krabi, and all that. Okay, here we are for round two. Round two. Different person, new paperwork. Let's see what happens today. What happened to the tire? Look good?
Yeah.
Alright, okay. Tire looking fine. Probably have to put some more air later on. So I was able to put in for the visa, and but I still have to wait for. I have to bring some pictures tomorrow. Forgot to bring 3. It was supposed to be 3 pictures. So I'm gonna take some more pictures and bring them to her tomorrow. Okay, today's the day. Key for what? Okay, the day the turkeys are going to be taken care of. Let's say it like that. Eh? I think that's a good way to put it. Take care of it. Take care of them. Hey, look. Okay. Yeah, I know. Let's go over here and get them. Put them in bags and get them ready. That's a good way to say it too. I feel bad for the turkey. Everybody has gotten to know them and gave them names and everything. I said, don't do that. Don't get used to it. They're gonna be for food. But nobody listened. Anyway, let me see. Let me get them off over here. I gotta get it. Something to cut this. No! Good morning. No! You have to come this way. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna do it here in the hay. That's okay, no? Guess we'll do it over there. Alright, let's go up to the front, TK. I hope this is the best way to get rid of them. Okay.
Hey.
Alright, they're done. Go wash them and season them. Ready for tomorrow. They wanted some papers from us, so.
For me.
Okay. Yeah, for you. Some birth certificates and some other stuff that we had to sign. Yeah. So we're here. We're back over here. I didn't finish the video yesterday, so I was thinking, oh, maybe I can put it with today, because we had to. I don't know. We came back late, and today we took care of the turkey. We got them cleaned up and ready to go, and seasoned and everything, put in bags and put in the fridge. Today we bought some clay pots.
What clay pot?
So the clay pots will put the aluminum foil on the bottom and then cover all the turkey with aluminum and put bacon on it and stuff like that. And yeah, that's what we'll do tomorrow. Put them in the oven. I gotta get some wood today. Got the pots. We'll get some wood either today or tomorrow. Yeah. Wait. Can you hear me now? Huh? I don't know what happened. Maybe I have to go.
What the heck?
Alright, let's go. So yeah, like I was saying, come to Macro today. Do home, pick up a dryer. And I don't know. I've been wanting to watch that movie Wakanda Forever. But here's the clay pots. I used them before. This one is a bigger one. I used them before and they work really good. They really I cooked the chicken in one of them one time, and the chicken cooked really nice. Then I took the aluminum foil from the top and let it brown a little on top. Whew. Some good chicken. Anyways, yeah. Go here, buy some provisions, and then we'll go to the mall. The mall, we gotta pick up some stuff too, and then we'll go probably watch the movie. I don't know if we'll make it. Stopping at the 7-Eleven, and then we'll head home. Thanks for watching.
Go quick.
Yeah, you can go, Mama. That'll be it. I'm just gonna get some things in here and we'll be done.